Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips as well as very different courses from Udemy with free coupon codes. So you have to stay tuned with our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be benefited from our channel. So today's video is about a tech challenge which has come from Capgemini, and it's a very good opportunity as well as it's a very good competition online hackathon. It is through it you can get a chance to be hired in Capgemini also. The top five winners will get few important prizes. We will discuss about detail in this video, so stay tuned in this video. Don't skip this video, you will lose information if you skip the video. Okay, so it's the largest techie competition in case of IT industry. So each and every year Capgemini try to hold this competition tech challenge. So it's very good competition, I will rather say. So you can go through the website here, and the students are getting each and every year rupees 5,50,000 of exclusive prize about competing in this drive by winning this drive. So about this concept, they have bring this concept in the year of 2015 or 16 in that time. So it's a very positive future also. So we will discuss that what is the rule and how you can register for it. So if you can see that this drive is now completing 7 successful years, as I have mentioned that in 2015 it started. So regional challenge there may be, and another one is the local challenge. So two contest is present in this hackathon. One is the regional challenge, this is also online test. Another one is the normal local hackathon, okay, online hackathon. So what is the rule? Mainly there will be 3 levels in the above mentioned contest, that is regional challenge. First 2 levels will be launched simultaneously and third level will be launched at the day of final. So there will be 25 MCQs in the level 1. So that is the most important thing, though it's a coding competition, but here the questions are coming in pseudocode pattern. So it is also helpful for those candidates who are preparing for CTS or Capgemini for the pseudocode round and for the MCAT pseudocode round. So it's very much helpful for them. So correct answer will of the MCQ takes 4 points. Maximum time allotted for each level is 30 minutes. The user has to answer 40% of the questions correctly to unlock the next level. Okay, so there is a criteria, or there is a target of 40% you have to achieve the questions correctly, then you will be do the unlock of the next level. So each user will get 2 attempts per level to improve their score. The highest score both the attempts will be taken for the final score of that level. There will be no negative marking, it's a very good thing. The final level for this contest will be held online. Winners of regional challenge contest will not qualify for the direct L2 interview. So tie break logic, there is some logic. The user with highest marks, sum of both levels will be ranked higher. Point 1 being equal, the user who has taken lesser time of level 3 will be ranked higher. Point 2 being equal, the user who has taken lesser time of level 2 will be ranked higher. If the situation of tie break persists even after points 1 to 3, the user who has taken lesser time will be ranked higher. In case this tools is equal, the user who participated in the contest at the earlier date will be ranked higher. So there are few tie break logic as there is mentioned, so you can go through it. Now I will discuss about the prizes. So first prize will be 50,000, a cash prize of rupees 50,000, and second prize will be rupees 30,000. Early bird prizes will be there for the first to top 10 players to complete level 2 and win the Capgemini branded merchandise of the online contest. So basically the examination will held based on few theme specific contests like Appian, React.js, Java full stack, Snowflake, AWS data science, Salesforce Lightning, Pega, GCP, PySpark. So if you have knowledge in this thing, you can go for it. All the levels will be online, but the final level will be launched at the specific date. Top 5 coders will be shortlisted from level 2 will be selected. All the above contest can be in a combination of MCQ plus problem statement based contest. Level 1 will be a MCQ contest, level 2 will be a problem statement based contest. The weightage will be 100 points in both. Okay, a user has to answer 40%, as I have mentioned. To unlock the next level, each user will get 2 attempts per level. MCQ will be timed. Level 1 is the screening phase. There will be total 25 questions for 30 minutes will be allocated. In case of the MCQ, each correct answer will contain 4 points. For the level 2 online hackathon phase, there will be problem statement, and you have the time duration of 7 days will be allocated to the candidate to complete the phase 2. Number of attempt for ideation phase is unlimited. The participants will able to access the problem statement once in participate now button is clicked. So total score will be cumulated score of the 2 levels in each contest, level 1 plus level 2 in the leaderboard. So you can go through the notification. I will obviously share this notification with you guys because it's for you, so you can take a chance to participate in this. Now I come to the job opportunity, the main important and attractive theme about this tech challenge. The job opportunities with Capgemini India is not entitled purely on winning the tech challenge and should not considered as a final job offer. On winning the challenge, the candidate will be given a direct opportunity for L2 interview with the HR team of Capgemini. So the package, you can guess here that nearly 6 to 7 LPA you will get the package. So try to focus in the drive and try to compete. So you can go through all the proctoring, no toggling, video proctoring, full screen mode you must be enabled, few data compliance rule you have to go through. So if you really interested, you can directly register from the website of Capgemini. So just click on the registration. So registration open from May 31, 2021. So the regional level will start from June 7th to July 19th. Regional level 2 will happen from June 28th to July 19th. And launch of lateral tech challenge, that is the local challenge, level 1, June 28th to July 19th. And level 2, July 5 to July 19. Okay, final challenge will happen in September 4 and 5. So this is the thing. So you can directly click on register now. So it will be redirected to the form. You have to fill up that form. I will show you that how to fill this form. So if you choose for regional challenge, here is the golden opportunity to make it a finalist and win the chance to work with Capgemini. For the regional challenge, you will get this benefit. And you can go through once again the important details. As I have mentioned that there are few important positive features has given. The top campus coders will get, top 2 coders will get final cash prize like 75,000 and 50,000. And fastest finger, that first student from campus to score 60 marks in both level 1 and level 2 in regional challenge will get 20,000. Top 5 coder will get rupees 50,000 per head, not rupees 50,000, in total 50,000, 10,000 we will get top 5 coders. Top coder from top registered college will get 5,000 per head. 4 students will be selected. So, and also there is a women category. Top 2 women coder after level 2, the regional challenge will be awarded the cash prize of 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. So the drive starts on 31st May, ends on September 5. Total prize is 20 lakh. Okay, so 20 lakh prize pool they have declared. So for level 1, you have to click on register now. So you have to pass within 100, you have to score 40. Duration will be 30 minutes. Attempts, you can attempt in 2 attempts. Just click on register now. Then you have to do the sign up. if you have account you can directly log in, otherwise you have to give your first name, last name, email ID and mobile number, then sign up. Okay, so this is the process. If you're really interested, you can go for it. Here you will getting prizes, as well as you will get the experience of tech challenge, as well as you are getting a job opportunity. So as a whole, it's a big package for you guys, so think about it. Don't subscribe our channel, hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Today's like target is 50. Okay, take care. So now it's time for shout out for my random subscribers, so who have subscribed my channel recently. So you can see one of my subscriber is Kartik Chinnaraj, and another two subscriber name is Devapratim Chandra, and another one is Varun Vaidya. So these three winners are the today's lucky winners from my subscriber list. They have subscribed our channel, so we will thanks, and we are thanking you for your support. Keep supporting us in this manner and keep believing in our channel. So thank you so much guys. So if you want to come spotlight in this video like them, you have to subscribe our channel. Please hit the subscribe button to come spotlight of this video. Thank you. We will do this random subscriber again in next video. Take care guys.